Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can evolve cards in MyFaction in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. Obviously, first of all we need to go to headquarters and select evolution cards from here, and here you're gonna see all of your evolution cards which can be evolved. So firstly, right now I have this card which is on Emerald right now, and in order to evolve this to Sapphire we need to complete these challenges at the bottom, and once we complete these challenges we'll able to evolve this card to Sapphire. And this one here is on gold right now, so again if I complete these challenges I'll able to evolve this card from gold to emerald. If you want to know like exactly what is the order, first of all the cards start from bronze, then to silver, gold, emerald, sapphire, then ruby, then amethyst, diamond, then pink diamond, and at the last galaxy opal. And if you want to know what will happen if we upgrade the card, so this card is on emerald right now, and if we upgrade it to sapphire by completing these challenges, we'll able to see the improvement in health, arm power, leg power, grapple offense, running offense, and so on, as you can see right here. Now the important question, many people don't know where to complete these challenges. Firstly, you just need to go to multiplay. Here you can play matches, play. In this section you can go for world tour, faction wars, weekly towers. So basically here you can just play live events, all these kind of matches you can just play with your cards and basically evolve them. As you grind you'll able to unlock more cards, you'll able to evolve them. So this is the process basically. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.